Hello everyone. This is a short preview video for what you need to do this lesson. As you know, we went over the vocabulary for reading Ed Stafford's blog, and we spoke about what was his journey, going from the beginning of the Amazon to the end, from the Pacific Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean, and we spoke about long. I just want to show you on the map how he did it, so it will be clear. We're speaking about South America here. As you can see, this is South America, and he did this journey from one side to the other. Okay, I think he went from this side to this side. He started in the Ecuador and moved all the way to Brazil to end his journey. So you need to read about his blog and answer the questions that I showed you the lesson before. Good luck to you all.